Surprise, surprise, look what just came into Holiday Motors. Good grief. Put your shades on when you're coming out to see this beauty. This is a 2017 Corvette Z06 3LZ fully loaded Z07 package with only 2,400 miles on it. This car is brand spanking new in every way. I love the yellow stitching, just those fine little touches that Chevrolet put into this car. And it has both tops to it. Owner's manual, all the keys. And yes, it is an automatic. And as you can see, it has the yellow paddle shifters there. And 2,458 miles. Incredible. But you know where it's at. We've got it for you right here at Holiday Motors. 3203 Victor Boulevard, Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. The LT4. But we got it here for you. Come check it out. Give us a call. 757-487-7333. And come be the new lucky owner of this beautiful ride today. Hopefully you'll actually put some miles on it and get some enjoyment. We appreciate you watching as always. Look forward to hearing from you.